Upbeat, energetic music playing. Video opens with a shot of the INSE S11 Pro vacuum effortlessly cleaning a messy room, transitioning to close-ups of its features. Host, tired of endless vacuuming, dragging around heavy cords? Say goodbye to frustrating cleaning sessions. Introducing the INSE S11 Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, your secret weapon for a sparkling clean home. Show the vacuum in action, highlighting its powerful suction picking up pet hair and dust. Host, with a super powerful 350W motor and incredible 30,000 PA suction, the S11 Pro tackles even the toughest messes. Pet hair, dust bunnies, crumbs, gone. Choose from 3 suction modes to perfectly match your cleaning needs. Show the long battery life feature, someone easily cleaning multiple rooms. Host, and forget about constantly recharging. The S11 Pro boasts a massive 50-minute runtime on a single charge. Clean your entire house without interruption. Plus, the detachable battery charges separately for ultimate convenience. Show the 5-stage filtration system and the LED crevice tool. Host, breathe easy. Our advanced 5-stage filtration system captures up to 99.97% of airborne pollutants, leaving your home cleaner and healthier. And the LED crevice tool illuminates hidden dust in hard-to-reach places, ensuring no spot is missed. Show the ease of emptying the dustbin, the versatile attachments, and the lightweight design. Host, the 1.2-liter dustbin with one-click emptying, the versatile attachments for every surface, and the lightweight design make cleaning a breeze. It's so easy to maneuver, you'll actually enjoy cleaning. Quick montage of various cleaning scenarios: stairs, furniture, car interior. Host, don't wait. This incredible offer won't last. For a limited time, get the INSE S11 Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner at a special introductory price. Click the link below to order yours now and experience the difference. Don't miss out on a cleaner, healthier home. Music fades out.